This problem requires simplified calculation. Many children have no idea and only know how to solve a specific problem. If you understand the underlying logic, you can solve them all. What's difficult about 36 multiplied by 1.09 plus 1.2 multiplied by 67.3? First, you can't find a breakthrough, and second, the decimal points are causing trouble. Remember the teacher's advice: when faced with such problems, ignore the decimal points at first and look for the same numbers or multiples of the same numbers. Let's observe. 1.09 and 67.3. We can't find a pattern. But with 36 and 1.2, let's ignore the decimal point. First, is there a multiple relationship between 12 and 36? 36 can be broken down into 12 multiplied by 3. By breaking it down, it becomes 3 times 12 times 1.09 plus 1.2 times 67.3. Next, we found the common parts. So what should we consider next? The decimal point is causing trouble. Teacher, this is 12 and this is 1.2. They're not the same. We need to make them the same. Remember, moving the decimal point one place to the right is equivalent to multiplying by 10. And moving it one place to the left is equivalent to dividing by 10. So, to make them the same, 1.2 needs to become 12. That means the decimal point needs to move one place to the right, which is equivalent to multiplying by 10. Then, we still need to divide by 10, just by moving this decimal point one place to the left, turning it into 6.73. Next, let's look at the remaining parts after identifying the common ones. I take out the 12, and 3 multiplied by 1.09 gives 3.27. There remains 673 here. At this step, we can be assured. Why? Because 0.27 plus 0.73 exactly equals 1. Right. 3 plus 6 equals 9, and adding 1 makes 10, perfectly rounding to tens, hundreds, or thousands. So, we take 12 multiplied by 10 to get 120. But I must remind you, the answer is not important. Remember, what I just taught you about finding the same numbers or multiples of the same numbers and handling the decimal point is also very important. If you understand, give a follow.